Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. And the third Sudoku is a binary puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. February the 8th. 2021, yes. I have printed this puzzle, downloaded first from the site of the publisher and printed on paper because today I have not received my newspaper because the heavy snowfall. The publisher has not sent the paperboy for delivering the newspapers. Too risky to send them out. Alright. And this will be number 2295. 2295. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one. Dano. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then I need to compare, I think. Yeah. Look. This column and the last column. 1, 1. Empty box, O, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 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 O. We need to switch those 2 digits. So we have a 1, an O here. So this should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. Need to compare again. Okay. Do we have a double one here? Double one. Oh, yeah. This column and the first column. O. Empty box. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then do I need to compare again? Yeah, seems to 101. Oh, almost the same. Almost the same. How about this one? Yeah. This row and the last row. 11001100 empty box, 1100. So we need to switch those two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Great. Binary. Need to compare a lot. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.